Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. Modern hanging chair designs have revolutionized the concept of relaxation and interior decor. These chairs are known for their sleek and innovative aesthetics, combining form and function in a way that elevates any space with their suspended design. They provide a unique and visually captivating focal point in both indoor and outdoor settings. One of the key features of modern hanging chairs is their versatility. They come in various styles from minimalist and contemporary to bohemian and electric, catering to diverse taste and design preferences. Materials range from natural latin and wicker for relaxed beachy vibe to sleek and metal and acrylic options that exude a more urban and sophisticated feel. Comfort is paramount in modern hanging chair design. Many models incorporate plush cushions and ergonomic shapes, ensuring a comfortable and cozy seating experience. Some designs are also include features like built-in speakers or cup holders, making them perfect for unwinding while enjoying music or a refreshing drink. These chairs can be incorporated into a variety of spaces, including living rooms, bedrooms, and outdoor patios. Their ability to sway gently promotes relaxation and stress relief, create a tranquil oasis within the home. Additionally, they offer a fun and playful element to interior design, inviting individuals to embrace a carefree and whimsical approach to seating. In conclusion, modern hanging chair designs have redefined the way we think about both comfort and aesthetics in interior decor. Their innovative designs, diverse materials, and versatility make them a standout choice for those looking to add a touch of relaxation and style to their living spaces. Whether suspended indoors or outdoors, these chairs provide a unique and delightful seating experience. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.